How to use WeBull app quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with the WeBull app. So let's get into it. Now to get started, you just want to go on to your application store or Google Play Store and you will simply search for WeBull over here. Then you will see this application over here. This is the official WeBull application and you will simply download this. I have already downloaded this and I will simply click on open over here. Once you do that, signing up for all the stock information or all the info you want to use or the features and trading that you want to do on the WeBull application. So if you already have a WeBull account, even if you created it on your desktop, you can simply log in over here. However, if you don't, simply click on sign up and then you can sign up with your phone number or email. So if you enter your email address, you can just enter that over here. You will agree to their terms of service and then click on sign up. And you will get a verification code. So I will enter my code and I will get back to you guys in 1 second. So after I have entered my email address, you will just go on ahead and enter a password. So I will just enter a suitable password for my account over here. And you will click on sign up. Now, once you do that, you can choose to enable or disable your notifications. Now, just like that, your account has been created. So after you do that, you can see on the right bottom, you have your menu. And from your menu, you can go on ahead and customize your entire settings and you can get a few shortcuts. So you have these basic shortcuts over here. And you can simply click on more to see all the different features that they have. So first off, you have your different markets. So if you want to just screen the market, you can open up the screener and then you can go on ahead and take a look at the options over here. And you will click on create new screener. And then let's say that we want to take a look at the regular expiration type with a bid of less than 5. And that is it. So I can click on save over here and then I can go on ahead and browse all the stocks within this. I will just name this as a sample and click on save over here. Now this screener has been saved and I can go on ahead and take a look at the stocks available for that specific filter. Now after that, you have the US IPO Center. Once you click on the US IPO Center, you can take a look at the filed IPOs, the upcoming and the listed IPOs. So this enables you to not only keep a check on the current market price and the current market, but it will also give you the ability to be able to check future or incoming market IPOs. Then you have your top gainers. So in this section, you can take a look at the top gainers in the market. Currently, this is showing up as empty. However, it does usually show you some top stocks. So next up, you have market codes, and I will simply open up this. And now you can see over here you have Toronto Stock Exchange Level 1. So you can subscribe to any of these market codes that are available. This is like a asking price and you're agreeing to that asking price. Now after that, you have a basic calendar. So in this calendar, you can manage all the kind of stock IPOs or EPSs that are coming out, the dividends, all the different stock features can all be summarized within this page. And you can take a look at the upcoming events and prepare yourself according to those upcoming events. And this will enable you to really be able to use the application to its fullest. Now, after that, you have some basic trading options. So you have crypto trading on WeBull as well. So you can see you have Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Sheepcoin, all the basic coins, and you get a chart. You also get news and profile information on the WeBull app. And you can go on ahead and take a look in detail of the entire stock or the entire crypto token. Now going back to our application over here, just going to open this up. And now after that, you also have paper trading options. So if you take a look at paper trading, you can add your initial funds amount, then you have quick trade, option trade, and orders and performance. So you can go on ahead and go into option trade over here, enter any kind of name or symbol. So let's say I want to go on ahead and invest in CDHSF, which is CDL Hospitality. So I can open this up. This will give me like a chart for the calling, bidding, and asking prices of that specific paper trade. Now, after that, you have your quick trade. So if you open up quick trade, you can simply search for any kind of trade that you want. Open this up. This will give you the chart for that trade as well as options. Then you also have the news section, analysis, and the company financial information. So this really serves as a all-in-one platform that has everything that you could possibly need whenever you are looking to do stock trading or even crypto trading. They provide you with all the information. Then if you scroll down, you will get the time and sales, the order flow distribution, and then you can simply click on paper trading at the bottom over here. Then you can choose whether you want to buy or sell the token. Then you can enter what kind of order you want to put in. So if you want a limit order, so you can buy the stock or the security as the application is calling it at a specific price, or you can buy the stock at the market prices. So I want to buy it at a specific price, and I want the price to be a little lower than the current asking price. So I want to buy at 12. Yeah, I just want to buy it at a solid $12.03, and then you can enter the quantity that you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 12 shares, and then you have the trading hours. So if you want to trade it in only regular hours or trade in extended hours as well, then you have the time in force. So you can choose whether or not you want this order to stay put for a long term. So let's say I just put in this trade and I want to buy this stock whenever it reaches this price, even if it's today, tomorrow, the next week. So in that situation, I will click on good till canceled. So until I cancel this trade marketplace will be, my position in this market will be put in, and as soon as the price reaches that, whether it be a month from now, the order will go through. Now after that, you also have day. So you can choose whether a trade could expire in a day. So let's say I only want to buy this stock if it reaches this price today. So then I will click on day. Then you can click on paper trade over here, and your order request will be sent out. So after that, you can see your after hours bids and asking prices as well. So this is how simple and easy it is to get started with the WeBull application, and it's very simple and very easy. And after that, you can go into your order section and take a look at all of your open orders that you have placed out. So this will enable you to manage all of the stock positions that you have, and then you can click on positions to see your account value, your P&L, your P&L components, and the daily margins that you are going with. Now, after that, in the WeBull application, you also have sim holdings. So you have multiple different market positions that you can hold and monitor from here. Then you have some basic reward sections and basic settings and themes, languages, chart settings, option list settings. And chart settings are super nice for people that are not really well versed in this kind of stuff. If you haven't done crypto trading or if you haven't done stock trading before, then you can click on simplified chart to get a simplified view of the charts to better be able to understand it, because a full-on detailed chart might be a little too complicated. Then you can use some basic indicators, chart heights, and some other customizations which can enable you to read your charts a little better. Now after that, you have your watch list. So you can click on add symbol, and you can add certain stocks to your watch list because you might want to monitor the price of that. You might have some stock in there or whatever it might be. You can even do this with crypto tokens. So you can go on ahead and click on the top right heart over here. And after I click on the top right heart, now you can see Ethereum has been added in my watch list. So this will really enable you to make sure that you are keeping track of all of the open stock positions and all of the stock positions in general that you might have. Now after that, you even have your market, so you can browse the United States market, the global market, and the crypto market as well. And after that, you have your open account and you have your news section where you can monitor the news of these stocks as well, stocks or margins or crypto tokens, whatever it might be. And that is it. So that is how simple and easy it is to get started with the WeBull application. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.